This one command can delete your entire infrastructure in seconds. And the scary part is most engineers don't fully understand what's happening when they run this. So, what exactly Terraform does? Terraform is used to create infrastructure like VMs, databases, load balancers, but it also has the ability to destroy everything it created. When you run this command, it doesn't delete one single resource, but it deletes everything managed by that configuration. Now, here's the most important concept. Terraform doesn't randomly delete things, it follows something called state file. This particular state file keeps tracks of all the resources with their IDs, their relationships. So, if a resource exists in this particular state, Terraform assumes it owns it. And if you run destroy, it will delete everything it owns. When you run the command, Terraform doesn't delete immediately. First, it creates destroy plan, then it builds a dependency graph to understand the correct order, then it will delete. For example, load balancer depends on VM and VM depends on network. So, Terraform deletes in reverse order to avoid failures. Now, this is where things get dangerous. In real world systems, this command can be risky. For example, wrong workspace, wrong environment, shared state file, no approval in CI CD. One wrong execution, your production is gone. No undo, no rollback. Most people don't break infra because they don't know Terraform. They break it because they don't understand the impact. They treat it like a simple command when it's actually a full system level action. Now, let me show you how fast this actually happens and why this command is more dangerous than it looks. Let's jump into the demo.
What if I told you Terraform can refuse to destroy your production infrastructure? Let me show you something most engineers don't use but absolutely should. We have a resource group in here in my main.terraform file. Right now, if I run terraform destroy, it will delete it. I'm going to show you that terraform space plan space hyphen destroy. Press enter. Let's see the output now. If you see the output, it is trying to destroy or delete this particular resource, want to destroy. This is very dangerous in production. Now, I don't want to delete this particular file. So how to avoid this in production? We are going to add a simple code that is lifecycle block. I am going to add this 3 lines of code which will definitely prevent resources from getting destroyed. I'm going to save this. Now, once again, let's try to run Terraform apply destroy. Terraform space apply space destroy. Now, let's look at the output. If you see the output, error instance cannot be destroyed. This is Terraform protecting you from yourself. In real systems, we use this for production databases, Kubernetes clusters, storage accounts, state backends. This doesn't stop manual Azure deletion. It stops accidental Terraform deletion only. This is very, very important. This particular destroy will help you only with Terraform destroy, not from the Azure portal. If you really need to destroy it, you must remove this particular block in production environments and then try to run this destroy again. This shows controlled behavior. Infrastructure automation is powerful, but guardrails are what make it safe. If you are running Terraform in production without this particular life cycle protection, you are trusting humans too much. If you found value from this video, like the video, comment it, and subscribe to my channel.